Hey guys, I'm here today, and I know this probably isn't an airsoft related video, but I am going to use this in airsoft. I'm using this like a grenade launcher type thing. But I thought my dog would really enjoy this, so I wanted to tape her reaction. I got her a tennis ball launcher. Yeah. Aspen! Look! Aspen, come see this! Come see this!
Play with the ball.
Aspen! Oh, Aspen! What's this? What's this? Oh, there's two. First, come on. First, out. What's this? What's this? What's this? Guess she wants to see it. Okay. So, hold back. Okay. Aspen, look. Look. See it? Look at it. That's cool. In the garage. Sorry. Okay, Aspen, come here. Pick stuff too. So let's go like, yeah, and that's so cool. Right, and so cocky again. It's hard to cock because I have the camera in one hand, so this is so cool. It just launches a tennis ball. Drop it. Drop it. Drop. Good girl. And yeah, my dog loves tennis balls. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm going to review this later.